Chapter 4, Lesson 2, page 178. We're going to be doing the addition property of inequalities. Chapter 4 is all about inequalities, and as far as addition and subtraction go, we do exactly the same thing we did when we had equalities, whether they were one or two-step equations. So nothing new, just we're going to change that equal sign to either a greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Number 31, I think first thing we're going to do is probably distribute, if there's any distribution to be done. Looks like we have 4r plus 4 times 5 is 20 minus 3r better be greater than or equal to 7. Let's combine like terms where we can. We have a 4r minus 3r, so that turns out to be 4r take away 3r is 1r plus 20 is greater than or equal to 7. You're going to tell me leave the r by itself and subtract 20 from both sides. So I have r plus 20 minus 20 is greater than or equal to 7 minus 20. I'm going to move up here for some more room. We end up with a goose egg right here, 20 take away 20. Just like we've done in previous chapters, r turns out to be greater than or equal to 7 minus 20. r turns out to be greater than or equal to minus 13. There's our answer. Inequalities, exactly the same for addition and subtraction. Number 42, a plus b is greater than 2a minus 4. And number 42, why am I doing an even one? Well, the homework said all problems tonight. We're going to end up with something that looks for b, because it says b is question mark. So let's see if we can figure out what b is. So we're looking for b. So I guess what we have to do is move this a to the other side. So let's subtract a from both sides. We're going to go horizontal. So I subtracted a from this side, I subtracted a from this side. So we have a goose egg over here. So this looks like b turns out to be less than 2a minus 4. I just move the a, remember it's commutative, we can do that. So b turns out to be 2a take away 1a, if that's going to help us. Put that 1 in here if we need it. So 2a take away 1a is just 1a minus 4. So our answer for b, what is b? b turns out to be less than a minus 4. Our solution. Nice and simple. Addition of inequalities, exactly the same as just plain old equalities. See you all tomorrow.